Ever wondered how a caterpillar transforms into a butterfly? It's a process, right? It doesn't happen overnight. Well, that's exactly how your fitness journey is going to be. You're the caterpillar, and the 5K run is your butterfly moment. Welcome back to Health and Fitness 101. I'm Mike, and today we're going to talk about how you can go from being a couch potato to running a 5K. Imagine your body as a car. You wouldn't expect a car that's been sitting in the garage for years to suddenly run a marathon, would you? It needs to be warmed up, tuned, and gradually pushed to its limits. That's exactly how we're going to approach your running journey. First things first, let's talk about the mindset. You see, running isn't just a physical activity, it's a mental game too. It's like baking a cake. You can't just throw all the ingredients in a bowl and expect a perfect cake to come out. You need to follow the recipe step by step. Similarly, you need to prepare your mind for the journey ahead. Now, let's move on to the physical aspect. Think of your body as a building. You can't build a skyscraper on a weak foundation, can you? So, before you start running, you need to strengthen your body. Start with simple exercises like walking, stretching, and strength training. It's like learning to crawl before you walk, and walk before you run. Next, we're going to talk about the importance of consistency. Imagine trying to fill a bucket with a tiny droplet of water every day. It might seem like it's taking forever, but eventually, the bucket will be full. That's how consistency works. It might seem like you're not making progress, but every step you take is bringing you closer to your goal. Finally, let's talk about the importance of rest and recovery. Picture this: you're a warrior, and every workout is a battle. You wouldn't go into battle without your armor, would you? Rest is your armor. It's what prepares you for the next battle. So, make sure you're getting enough sleep and taking rest days in between your workouts. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your running journey be. It's going to be a process, but trust me, crossing that 5K finish line is going to be worth every drop of sweat. Before we wrap up, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. We've got a lot more fitness tips and tricks coming your way. Until next time, remember, your fitness journey is a marathon, not a sprint. Keep going and you'll get there. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Thanks.